Well, guys, I'm going back to school tomorrow. Alright, yep. Yeah, I'm going back to school tomorrow. Tomorrow's the 22nd of August. My voice hasn't changed yet. Yep. What the heck? Come on, stupid camera. Yeah. Dang, son. It's like the same thing, kid. Come on, you stupid camera. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. You see? 2015 in the tank. That's when the paper was made in. It's 2015. Yeah, but Gary said these came out in December. Gary said these totes, well, this logo came out December 2014. It's a Gary Lupin said, but in my opinion, it came out in January. In my opinion, it came out on January 2015. I mean, in my opinion, these toilets with this logo came out in January 2013. In my opinion, not 2015. All right. Yep. Yep. Anyways, let's do tank view. All right. So yeah. All right. So I need to be really careful. I would have broke this. Dang, I would have cracked this and broke that. Cheers. Dang, son. But anyways. Alright. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Alright. My voice still sounds the same. I actually think it stopped changing. I don't know when, but yeah. Let's do this.